Hello and welcome to this new tutorial about the Take It Serious game. Today I'll be talking about the steps you need to take in order to prepare for a heatwave and how to deal with its effects. I'm going to use the student view for this video, and more precisely I will cite a scenario one day before the city is hit by a heatwave. I have paused the time so we can do some preparation before the heatwave happens. During a heatwave, it is common for the citizens to require more health service, and it's possible their health will become a critical issue. For that reason, be sure to build several hospitals to cover your entire town. You can see your current coverage at the health overlay. Another usual issue is the increased energy consumption. Currently, we are producing more energy than the town consumes, but it's a good idea to build more power plants and energy production buildings to cover the increased needs during the heatwave. Due to the heatwave, we would also have less underground water reserves, and our water pumps will pump less water. To deal with that, we can build more water pumps and connect them to our water pipe network. We should always build a water treatment facility next to them in order to get them to function properly. Lastly, during the heatwave, there is a possibility for the roads to get damaged or to get completely destroyed. The most efficient way to mitigate those effects is to upgrade your buildings to the highest level possible. There are two possible ways to do that. One way is to upgrade them one by one by selecting them, going to the Upgrades tab, and buying the upgrades we want. For the heatwave disaster, the first upgrade level is to put vines and vegetation around the building so they can better regulate the temperature. The second level is to insulate the building so the temperature inside will always be at a suitable condition. And the third level is to install solar panels. By generating its own electricity, it will help ease the load of the main electric network. The second way is to use the upgrade tools and select a lot of them at once. Since this scenario starts with a lot of money available, I'm going to directly use the third level upgrade tool and upgrade a lot of them to the highest level. I'm going to fast forward the time a bit so we can see the heatwave happening and how it will affect our town. If you noticed, at the start of the heatwave, we got a notification at the top left of the screen. You will always get a notification when a disaster happens and some days prior to it. We aren't going to see big changes from the first day, but as the time passes, the effects of the heatwave will become apparent. We can see the health and power demands have increased and will be increasing more during the heatwave. There is also an impact on the water pumped by each water pump. Leaving those effects untreated will cause our town to have problems and eventually collapse. After the heatwave has ended, the health and power demands will gradually go back to their initial levels. The same goes for the water reserves. Once your town has recovered, be sure to try to get more prepared for when the next heatwave occurs. That's all you need to know about the heatwave disaster and how to deal with it. I hope you will have a lot of fun playing the game. Goodbye.